This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact watch model and OS version, so you choose compatible display options. Make sure the watch is charged above 50% and paired to your phone. This prevents interruptions during changes. Once paired, back up current settings or note the active watch face so you can revert if needed. Now open the companion app or the watch settings menu and navigate to display or watch faces to start the change process. This gets you to the customization controls quickly. Now you pick the face or import a custom one. You do this because templates control what information is visible and how battery is used. Once selected, edit complications to show calendar, steps, or battery so the most important data is visible at a glance. Then adjust colors and layout to improve legibility. Make sure to set brightness and screen timeout to balance readability against battery life. Once you save each change, the watch often previews it, so you can confirm the result before finalizing. Apply or save your settings and let the companion app sync the new display to the watch. This ensures the phone and watch are aligned. Test taps, swipes, notification previews, and readability in different light to confirm everything works as intended. If elements are misplaced, restart the watch to clear temporary glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if the display is unresponsive after syncing, perform a forced restart first. This resolves most issues without losing data, versus an...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.